Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday today and I'm about to go out with my sisters and my mom, and this is the fit. This Coors Light sweater, honestly this is my favorite sweater. It's from Urban Outfitters and I got it like 2 years ago I think. Anyways, I showered and like semi got ready, did my hair in these like little clips. This side was so easy to clip, this one. But we're gonna go to Boiling Crab and I wanted to show you guys. I got, guys, this fits so much. It is from BDG, from Urban Outfitters. And it is so cute. Like, maybe you won't be able to see, but like, she's giving, okay? And I've always wanted a cute little bag like this. Anyways, and here, thick. So I'm gonna show you guys a quick little, what's in my purse. Let me show you guys what's in here. So this was in my school bag. It's just the Glossier mini makeup bag. And in here I have a bunch of stuff like perfume. My favorite thing is this Vicks stick. My grandpa used to use these all the time and then I now do it. But I have chopsticks, hair clips, like aspirin and blush. Random things like perfume. I have this one in here right now. It is just this like Valentino one. It smells so good. My sister's looking at me. She wants to laugh. Anyways, so I have that in here, and then I have this little Hello Kitty hand cream. I have another one in that bag. And then I have my Switch because I stopped playing Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Okay, so I've been playing that game and I have not played it in a couple months because I ended up like falling off this cliff and I could not get back on and I was just so annoyed. So I stopped playing it. I have a hair clip and then I have the charger, the camera charger, a receipt from Costco, receipt from the bank, this little Hello Kitty Impressions mirror. I love this mirror. I got it from Urban Outfitters. And it lights up, but I'm pretty sure you can find these at like Marshalls and like TJ Maxx. Some gum, just an extra one. Polar Ice, that's my favorite. My Touchland hand sanitizer. Some dental floss. This lip gloss, it's just the Fenty Heat one and in the shade Hot Cherry. I really like that one. This little coin bag from Brandy Melville. And some of my coins fell out. Wow. And then I have my new wallet and it's just this Peanuts Marc Jacobs wallet. It is so cute. Now my sister's saying let's go to the car. And then the last thing I have in here are just my, these aren't even mine, these are my boyfriend's, but they're just the Beat headphones and they're these really cool like translucent ones and they look like this. I've been using them because I wanted to see if I like them better than my AirPods, and surprisingly, they're like, I feel like I don't know how to feel about them because they're like smaller than AirPods. But I have to go to the car because my sisters are about to leave. I'm gonna go to Urban Outfitters to return some pants. I had gotten these like swooshy pants, came yesterday, and I got them on sale for like Black Friday, and I thought they were so cute online, but then I got them and they fit like good, like baggy, cute at the top, but at the bottom it's just way too baggy and I just feel like I look a little silly. And if I don't feel confident, then I'm just gonna return it. I feel like that's my thing, is like I don't return some stuff sometimes because I'm like, you know what, I can make it work. But this time I'm like, no girl, get your coin back. We want to show you guys my favorite little makeup bag before we head to the car. It's this one from Bagu. It's the My Melody. I don't know what this bag is called, but it is my favorite makeup bag. And then I added this My Melody, she's in her little PJs, Funko keychain. This was from the Bagu X Sanrio collab and I just love her so much. I have it right here, so I'll show you guys. All right, we're gonna go to Boiling Crab and I'm so excited. Thank you to my sisters. I can see her right here, she's annoyed. Okay, we're gonna go to the car and hopefully I vlog hopefully I vlog when I'm there, but there's an Urban Outfitters near there. If you guys been to the one in Burbank, then you know. So I'm gonna return that hopefully before we go eat. We made it. The Boiling Crab is that way. The lights look so pretty. And we're on the way to Urban Outfitters, which is over there, across the street. Here we are, walking to Urban Outfitters. Turns out it was a fail. Urban Outfitters is closed. So now we're walking back to Boiling Crab with my mom and my sisters. We have this big old tree, if it will ever focus. Look how cute. My sister really wants a picture, but there's people right there. We are now at the Boiling Crab. We got our little bibs and we just ordered. Like I was saying, Urban Outfitters was closed because they had flooded. And I'm kind of sad because I live kind of far, but I'm going out again on Friday. So I think that's when I'm gonna return when I have to return. But I just ordered some snow crab legs. I get the whole shebang mild. And I like to add some eggs and some rice, and then my sister's got the lemon pepper fries. They taste so good. I'm not really into the lemon pepper, more like the pepper, but I like to get the ones that don't have too much seasoning. I'm very excited. My mom's a little hangry right now, so you know, I'm gonna go wash my hands now and then show you guys when the food gets here. Okay guys, so our food is all here. My little snow crab legs. We got some rice, some lime. My sister got some lemon pepper fries. Her rice, she got shrimp. She got an iced tea. And then my other sister got snow crab. My mom got a lemonade. She got a little Sprite moment. My mom got some shrimp. Eat and talk to you guys when we're done because my hands are gonna get so messy. We are now leaving. We finished eating. The food was so good. My tummy kind of hurts now, but we're walking to the car and we had to park somewhere kind of far, so the walk up the stairs is about to be a journey. The lights are so cute though. They took a couple pictures. Now we're going up the stairs. Please. It looks so pretty. We're going home, finally. I think the drive is like an hour and a half. Goodbye, Burbank. I'll see you guys later.
Aquí en el teléfono no se mira igual que allí. ¡Ay, qué bonito! ¡Ay, esta gente! ¡Ay, qué bello! Todas las luces preciosas.
Good morning, guys. So I'm about to get started on some lunch. It's currently 11, so it's still the morning, but I am pretty hungry and I'm just gonna put my little apron on. Guys, I love this little apron. It is so cute. It looks like a little dress. I got it at like vendors market type of thing that me and my boyfriend went to a couple months ago, and it just looks like a little dress, like reversible. The side has like coffee on it, but this is my favorite side. It's like this cute little flower print. You guys can kind of see it. It's adorable. It has little pockets on it. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm also gonna make myself some cinnamon rolls. So I just have like the Pillsbury one and I just turned on the oven. I'm also gonna make myself a nice little coffee. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Hopefully I edit this video. Yesterday I went to the Boiling Crab with my mom and my sisters. We had a lot of fun. I was kind of sad that Urban Outfitters is closed because I'm not gonna go to one, I think, until maybe next week. I might try to go to one this weekend, but we'll see. It's barely Wednesday. And also, my final grades have not come out. My English teacher wrote us and was like, hey guys, actually I'm not submitting grades until tomorrow. And I'm like, girl, please, I just want to see my final grade. It was kind of one of those courses where the teacher would put like complete or incomplete if you finished or like you didn't do the assignment. And I completed everything, so I'm pretty sure I aced the class, but it's like, I want to see my final grade so I can be like, okay, I passed the class. Just because right now it says NA, so I'm like, girl, I need to know. And then my computer teacher, he does not have Canvas, so he was just like, yeah, I'm gonna submit the final grades, which I know I passed the class, but it's like, again, I want to see it on there. I just put the rice. This little tiny rice maker is so cute and it works so well. I'm gonna let that cook. Rice is done and it looks good. And then I just cut up this cucumber. Sadly, like half of it was kind of rotten. And I just got these on Monday. It's only Wednesday. Food, it's like Korean barbecue. I just have my thin meat, some cucumbers, my white rice. I have my dipping sauce, and it is just this Lighthouse sesame ginger dressing. It is so good. It reminds me of what I get at Korean barbecue. Not as good, but like it's still really good. I feel like they're similar, but not as similar. Cinnamon rolls. I already took a bite. Eat this with coffee later, so I kind of regret not making them later, so they're a little more fresh. They still taste really good. And then here I have a little fan. He just had his lunch. Now he's looking at me like, girl, share. But we're gonna watch Big Bang Theory. I just started it yesterday and it's pretty interesting so far. So we're gonna do that. Say bye.